Every once in a while, you come across a product so simple, it makes you wonder why you didn't have it sooner. This list covers 15 gadgets that fix small, annoying, everyday problems from a dead phone at 2 a.m. to a dull kitchen knife you've been avoiding. Every one of these is practical, well-rated, and actually earns its spot in your home. Links to everything are in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. This handheld magnifier folds into a compact stand and flips open into a 15x glass with a built-in light. SO reading fine print or medication labels is never a struggle. 3 color light modes and adjustable dimming make it especially useful for seniors or anyone dealing with vision strain. It recharges over USB-C and props up hands-free instead of being held the whole time. A quiet drawer item until the exact moment you need it. This pocket-sized sharpener fixes dull knives, scissors, and tools in seconds using ceramic and tungsten carbide slots in one compact body. A few pulls through the diamond tapered rod, and the blade goes from dull to sharp. No oil, no stone, no guessing the angle. Small enough for a kitchen drawer, camping bag, or hunting kit. For under $10, it pays for itself the first use. This electric nail clipper takes the shakiness out of a task that gets harder with age or limited hand strength. Position the nail and the built-in motor trims it cleanly with an LCD display showing battery level. It comes with a clip-catching compartment so there's no mess, plus a cleaning brush and USB cable in the box. A small upgrade for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone tired of fumbling with a manual clipper. This compact kit solves the never-ending problem of having the wrong cable at the wrong time. It packs a lightning adapter, USB 3.0 OTG converter, micro adapter, a short 100-watt charging cord, and a SIM eject pin, all snapped into a round case that fits in a pocket. One small case covers almost every device, instead of untangling a drawer full of mismatched cords before a trip. This tool replaces 3 devices with one: a laser distance meter reading up to 197 feet, a 16-foot tape measure, and a digital level, all in one housing. The magnetic hook and dual brakes keep the tape steady while working solo, and it stores 40 measurements in memory. Whether measuring a room or hanging shelves level, this cuts the back and forth of switching tools. At accuracy, precise enough for real projects. This flashlight puts out a serious 3,250 lumens with 55 modes, including floodlight, focus spotlight, and a built-in RGB accent light for visibility. Fully rechargeable over USB-C with a 5,600 mAh battery. There's no scrambling for the right disposable batteries. A magnetic base sticks it to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting, and the waterproof build holds up outdoors or during a power outage. This pocket-sized microscope turns curiosity into a hands-on activity, with a 2-inch IPS screen displaying up to 1000x magnification in real time. Kids can examine leaves, fabric, or bugs without looking through a traditional eyepiece, making it far more comfortable for younger hands. Fully portable with no computer hookup needed. It doubles as a solid STEM gift for birthdays or holidays. This pocket-sized printer prints directly from your phone or laptop using thermal technology, meaning 0 ink cartridges to ever buy. It connects wirelessly, prints letter-sized documents, receipts, or photos at 203 dpi, and is small enough for travel, remote work, or school. Handles quick documents wherever you happen to be, instead of hunting down a bulky home printer. This wall-mounted holder does more than organize toothbrushes. It actively sanitizes them using a UV autocycle every time they're placed back. It holds up to 4 toothbrushes plus toothpaste, keeping the counter cleaner than brushes sitting in a cup. A soft breathing light shows when the cycle is active. A quiet upgrade for a shared bathroom or family with kids. This power strip tower solves the classic problem of never having enough outlets. Packing 12 AC outlets and 4 USB ports into one vertical tower instead of a flat strip eating up desk space. Built-in overload protection makes it safer for multiple high-draw devices, and the 6.5-foot cord gives enough reach. A great fit for a dorm room, home office, or entertainment center where cords pile up fast. This folding saw packs a 9.8-inch serrated blade into a compact handle that folds shut for safe storage in a bag or glove box. Built for cutting branches, small trees, and rough outdoor material, it's genuinely useful for camping, gardening, or bushcraft. The ergonomic grip keeps it controlled, and folding closed means no exposed blade bouncing around loose in a backpack. This isn't just a charging cable. It unfolds into a 360-degree adjustable stand that props your phone up at the perfect angle while charging at up to 240 watts. The detachable 2-in-1 design switches between sideways fast charging and a stable holder, useful on a desk, in a car, or on a nightstand. Keeps your phone upright and visible instead of propped against a random object. This 2-piece set replaces a whole drawer of measuring spoons and cups with one digital tool showing exact weight on an LCD screen built into the handle. Instead of guessing whether a scoop is level, you get a precise gram reading every time for both dry and liquid ingredients. The ergonomic scoop pours straight into a bowl without extra dishes, taking the guesswork out of measuring. This mini fridge holds up to 6 cans or 4 liters of drinks, skincare, or makeup, fitting easily on a nightstand, desk, or dorm shelf without the footprint of a full-sized fridge. A small observation window lets you check what's inside without opening the door and letting cold air out. Quiet enough for a bedroom, it runs on both wall and car power and works as a cooler or warmer. This waffle maker flips a full 180 degrees mid-cook, spreading batter evenly for consistently golden, crisp waffles instead of one side underdone. The ceramic non-stick plates are PFAS-free and a full inch deep, giving thick, classic round waffles room to rise properly. A crispness dial lets you set exactly how done you like them, and the drip tray keeps overflow off the counter. That covers 15 gadgets that genuinely make everyday life a little easier. Whether you're at home, on the road, or just trying to fix something small that's been bugging you for way too long. The standouts from this list are the laser tape measure, the power strip tower, and that folding flashlight. Those 3 get real, regular use. All the product links are down in the description below. If this helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who'd find this useful, subscribe for more finds like this, and I'll see you in the next video.